Good morning, wonderful people. We're out hiking here today with a group, and we got dogs today. We got Bobo, the explorer, and Buddy, the hiking dog. So Bobo is not getting tired. Buddy's got four-wheel drive, and he's zipping up the hill like crazy here. Oh, Bobo, let's keep going. It's uphill all the way, and it's steep. Yeah, the third dog in the group's name is Angelina. The hike to top of Scout Mountain is only 3 kilometers, but it's 1,265 feet elevation gain. The weather today was supposed to rain, but we lucked out. Got a pretty nice day. It's starting to get steeper, but not for Bobo. Bobo's checking out the dog messages. He's going to leave one too. Okay, Bobo, this is the steep part. Let's go.
Sorry, Janet, for getting your heart rate up there. Yeah. I've been up that little piece, but it was dry.
It was dry, yes.
Yeah.
Wet is a different story.
Yeah. This is the steepest part once we're up here.
Steepest part. There's even a handle.
Let's go.
Please.
Right.
And I said,
Well, for a rainy day, this looks really nice.
who is that?
You know what? After a quick break at the top, we moved down through the other side, making a complete loop, around 8K in total. Going down through the backside of Scout Mountain is actually steeper than going up the front. Oh, well, that looks pretty steep. You could do it. Come on, let's go. You got it. On another friend, eh? You gotta let the dog go by, it's going up. There you go. Part of the Scout Mountain Loop is actually on the Sunshine Coast Trail. It was a good day for a hike, even though my 2 dogs ended up with ticks on them. Thanks for coming along on this hike, and we'll see you in the next adventure.